Koh Rong's finest escape is Long Beach, an almost empty stretch of beyond beautiful sand running for 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles. The powdery softness will leave you feeling like there had been an explosion in a baby powder factory as it squeaks beneath your feet with each step taken on its vast surface. Koh Rong Sanloem is a vision in itself of tropical perfection, with its endless sandy beaches and teeming jungles. The island has 3 main settlements that each have their distinct personality. Still, there's no doubt that crescent-shaped Saracen Bay lies at heart. It's here where you'll find graceful curves wrapping around white shores lined by coconut palms swaying gently in gentle winds, or complete stillness depending on how sudden storms may come upon them without warning. The long, golden stretch of sand is 4 kilometers, 2 miles, wide and stretches south from Koh Rong's southern coast. This pristine location has made it a popular destination for travelers since the first resort opened its doors here. However, there are still plenty more virgin beaches left to discover. Head to Audre's Beach for an experience like no other. Skip the overdeveloped beaches in Sihanoukville City and head out on this seemingly boundless strip of casuarinas, with breathtaking views at every turn. The 2 kilometers stretch between Odor 1 beach buffering it from its neighboring development makes for some great scenery while you're there. Enjoy it before those mega buildings go up too soon. Travelers who make the effort to visit Reem National Park can take boat trips through coastal mangroves and wander along long stretches of unspoiled sand. The beaches here offer some fantastic scenery that has been relatively untouched by development, making it one of our country's best kept secrets for travelers looking not just go somewhere new, but also find themselves in pristine conditions.